Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Or guys, today we will discuss about the how to make the OR and AND gate using diode. So today we will make the circuit using the diode, OR gate or NAND gate. Sorry, AND gate. So you can see here I already made the circuit. So uh, I tell you something from startings. So this is OR circuit circuit using the diode. Okay, this is resistance and this is output and these are two input. So this is input OR gate. So how it work? So when how first we see the how OR gate work. OR gate work when any of one input is high, the output will be high. Okay, when both input is high, then output will be high. When one input high, then output will high. Then both input is low, then output will be low. So this is the 5 volt source. Okay, so first we give the 0 signal at the input. Okay, this is ground and we give the 0 signal. So see, we see the output is 0. Okay, same signal we give to the here, we make it ground also, both are ground now, the output will be 0. Now one signal is ground and this is 5 volt source. One signal we give the 1 volt, sorry, one logic 1 means connect to 5 volt. So output should be high as per the AND gate logic. So we see here, you can see 4.3 is coming here. After dropping the diode, 4.3 volt is coming here. Okay, so one input is high and one input is low, so output is high. Now we see if both input is high, so we cut the ground here and add this with the 5 volt. So in this case both input is high, so output should be high. We see, you can see here output is high, 4.3 volt. Why 4.3 volt is coming? This here is the 5 volt and voltage drop of the diode is 0.7 volt. So 5 volt minus 5 volt minus 0.7 volt equal to 4.3 volt. So here you will get 4.3 volt. Okay, so like this we can make the OR gate. Okay, now we talk about the AND gate. So this is AND gate. So what is the theory of AND gate? When both input is high, we will get the output high. This is the theory. When any of the input is low, so output will be low. So if we make the both input high, so we will get the output here. This is the input of the NAND gate. I make you understand. I delete the connection. So this is the two input AND gate. Okay, when one of the input high, output will be low. When both input is low, output will be low. When both input is high, output will be high. So here we given the output here, voltage source here and one resistance, and here will be output we will take from here. So first we do the 0 both signal 0, we make the both signal 0, so output should be 0. We simulate it. So you can see here is the 5 volt source, here is the voltage 0, 0.7 volt. 0.7 volt will drop here because of diode. So you will get here 0.7 volt, that is considered as a 0 volt. Okay, now what we do, we make the one input high and one input low. Okay, so what will happen, this is high logic 1 and this is logic 0. So in this case output should be 0. And why output will be 0, I tell you. So you can see here output is 4.7, sorry, 0.7 volt. Why it is 0.7 volt? Because the output here is the 5 volt, here is the 5 volt also. So diode will work as a open, there will be no current, but here is the ground. So all voltage, here voltage will pass through this ground and here will be equal to the voltage, diode drop voltage equal, you will get. So that's why, because it all the voltage will pass through it and will be ground. So that is why the any of input is 0, so AND gate output will be 0. Now what we do, we make the both input high. Now we make the both input high, we add the both input with 5 volt. So both input is logic 1, so output should be high. So we see output will be high. You can see here output is 5 volt. Okay, output is coming 5 volt. Because in this condition there will be no current in the both diode. Now both diode is open because here is the 5 volt signal that makes the diode reverse bias. Okay, so that's why here is the output voltage you will get, because these are working as a open. So here you will get the 5 volt. So this is the AND gate circuit, how to make the AND gate circuit using the diode and resistance. This is the interview question you will get when you will face the interview, hardware interview as a fresher. So I think this video, you got this video, and if you got this video, please like and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for the next video notification. Thank you.